Today is day 3 in Goa, and today I have planned to go to Panjim, which is the capital city of Goa. I'm gonna try some Goan food like a special thali, and also going to go on a heritage walk. I'm very excited today because 2 दिन से I've been doing all cafes and stuff because वो तो भाई मुंबई में भी होता है, but आज देखेंगे actual Goa क्या है. So let's go. Right now I'm at Basilica of Bom Jesus. I just hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is a big church behind me. We are not allowed to take our cameras inside, so I can't show you what's inside, but a beautiful church. This is in Old Goa. You should visit. Like every other churches, this is very beautiful from inside. And if you're coming here, please don't wear shorts or dresses that are above your knee, because otherwise you'll have to get something like a scarf. I was lucky enough that the person gave me the scarf, but get your own if you're wearing shorts, or otherwise just wear dresses that are below your knee. Right now I'm at this place called Ritz Classic, and they serve authentic Goan food. I've ordered a fish thali and fresh lime soda along with it, and I'm very excited because जब से मैं गोवा आई हूँ, I have not tried the Goan thali which it's famous for. So let's see how it is. Done with half the thali and I am full. Matlab, I know my appetite is big and I'm still like struggling to finish this. But I'm gonna complete it because I'm gonna go for a heritage walk after this and सारा खाना वहाँ पे पच जाएगा. So let me go through the rest of the thali. So I'm done with my lunch here at the Ritz Classic. It was such a heavy meal and the entire thing was just 260 rupees. The thali was so big, like I have a big appetite and मुझे भी उसको ख़त्म करने में काफ़ी time लगा, and now I am full, like I can't walk. But I have a heritage walk after this, and until then I have some time, so I'm just going to walk around Panjim city and see some churches, and then we'll go for a heritage walk, which I'm so excited about. So let's go. Right now I'm at the Immaculate Conception Church, which is the church in the center of Panjim. You might have seen this church in a lot of Rohit Shetty movies, and ये मुझे काफ़ी major Singham vibes दे रहा है. And this church looks very pretty. I'll go all the way to the top, but you're still not allowed to enter the church because of COVID. But probably next time when I come here, I can see the inside of the church. But right now, this looks very pretty. I'm gonna take some good pictures for my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, please go and follow. My handle is Vishai96. I'll drop it somewhere over here. Got done with my heritage walk, and it was such an amazing experience. I know that Goa is known for its bars and everything, but if you want to fall in love with the city, I feel that you need to see the heritage, the history of that place. And this heritage walk did just that for me, and I loved it so much. I will be sharing snippets of it after this like entire little video, but you should definitely come for it because I feel this is something that is not really famous in Goa, but I'm glad that I came for it. बीच लाइक मैं सिर्फ एक दिन आधे घंटे के लिए आई हूँ बीच जब से आई कम टू गोवा. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग डाउन एंड द बीच लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज़ वागेटोर बीच. यहाँ पे वागातोर बोलते हैं. बट आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू बी गोइंग ऑन द बीच. आई एम गोना सिट देयर. मैं एक्चुअली सुबह जाने वाली थी बट मुझे लेट हो गया उठने में. सो या इट्स वेरी सनी राइट नाउ. बट ठीक है यार, बीचेस पे चलता है. एंड I'm gonna go in the water. I'm so excited. I'm right now at the Vagator beach and I'm getting this braid done in my hair because everyone who comes to Goa wo karwata hai, and I've been looking at people doing it since the day I arrived. So she's doing it for me and let's see how it turns out. Back at Cafe Bean Me Up today after spending some time at the Vagator beach. This is the cafe that I came to on the first day and I really like it. So I'm having this cacao nib smoothie. It's really nice and I'm going to chill here for a while and read the book which I've been trying to complete from so many days. And yeah, so plan for today is nothing honestly. I'm going to go to Thalassa in the evening but my lunch time is a little free, so let's see what I do. I'll probably have lunch here or go to some other place. So today's day was very chill for me. मैंने Bean Me Up में I had my breakfast like a smoothie and I had my lunch also there and it was amazing. If you come to Goa, please come to this cafe because I am in love with it. Like the quantity and the quality of food is amazing. And also I noticed one thing today. I went to this grocery shop abhi to get some washing powder for myself. And they don't accept coins, like they don't take 10 rupees के coin. I'm like, ये तो मैंने कहीं नहीं सुना. बोलो नहीं, गोवा में 10 रुपए के coins नहीं चलते. I was very surprised by that fact. Just thought I should let you guys know कि यहाँ पे 10 रुपए के coins मत लेके आना. Also, I think I told you guys that I don't drive a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, so I have to walk everywhere. Like I have to walk to my hotel and I have figured out something. यहाँ पे they do have pilot taxis as I showed you on I think my second day. But yeah, so मुझे अब एक नंबर मिल गया है एक भैया का जो actually will help me to go if I need to go somewhere. But a tip for solo travelers: do not tell anyone where you're living. कितने दिन के लिए रह रहे हो, कहाँ रह रहे हो, nothing doing. I am actually gonna tell him that I'm gonna meet him near that square जहाँ से आई थी, so that he doesn't know where I live or my resort. This is just some safety measures you can take as a solo traveler, especially women, because this country is not safe. So right now I'm at Thalassa and the view here is to die for. I'm not going to even talk about it. I'm just going to show you how amazing it looks from here. So today is my day 5 in Goa and I am checking out of this hotel and moving to a hostel because when you are traveling solo it's just better to have some people around you and शायद hostel में मुझे कुछ solo travelers भी मिल जाएं. That should be fun. So मेरा सामान almost pack हो चुका है and I'll see you when I reach there. अभी टाइम हो रहा है 11:40. मेरा चेकआउट है 12 बजे का. मेरी पैकिंग भी हो गई है तो मैं बैठी हुई हूँ 20 मिनट कि मैं लास्ट के 20 मिनट का पैसा वसूल के जाऊँगी. Do you guys do this too? Comment below and let me know अगर करते हो ऐसा, so I don't feel bad or lonely about it. So I have reached the hostel. This is my room. I'll show you the entire room. मैं यहाँ पे private room में रह रही हूँ because मुझे थोड़ा सा पैंडमिक के जैसे डर लग रहा था कि सैनिटाइजिंग वगैरह हो गया नहीं. But this place has amazing measures that they are taking. I think मेरा होटल भी इतना अच्छे से नहीं ले रहा था. I'll show you the room. hostel yesterday, and then you know I was just so busy. We went for a party, हम लोग के hostel वाले सब लोग, and you know what, I didn't want to vlog anymore. I mean, as much as I love vlogging, I felt like I was missing out on the moment. So I just am gonna vlog the rest of the trip, just like snippets of it, but I think rest of it I should keep it to myself. And एक vlogging के ऊपर जो added pressure डाल देती हूँ मैं, वो थोड़ा सा it was getting to me. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog till now, and आगे भी I'm gonna have some like great stuff coming, but I cannot promise that I'm gonna vlog every day. But also one more thing, I am going to extend my stay here in Goa, so you're gonna see much more of Goa on my Instagram and on my YouTube, so stay tuned.